cross the cutoff marks.
An inspection of the resort constructed near the river Umsli was conducted on Friday by the engineer from the Bhoirambong CNRD block, accompanied by village leaders and representatives from 2 pressure groups. The inspection was prompted by a complaint submitted to the block development officer of Bhoirambong CNRD block by the HYC Bhoirambong Circle, which raised concerns about the resort's construction. During the inspection, the resort owner, Denning Stone Marbanyang, agreed to cease construction near the water body.
Block ilawan ban jurip I dalai de ilayo ban ya pek bahai kanika jingte yang nika jaka tingi smo ban ai kublai ki ka jingla kloi ka jongki ya ka ba nagal yang ka jongki kila pek bat kilo yo I.
Mausanram MLA